Welcome to Kanien'keha lesson 24. So today we're going to be focusing on numeration. We're going to learn how to count A, E, and EN stem nouns. So for A, E, and EN stem, the pattern is the same. To say one object, SEW is going to be the prefix that you click on to your noun, and your ending will either be A, AT, or AK, depending on your dialect or your family and the way you guys speak. So to say two objects, the prefix will be TEW, and then your noun, and then your ending will either be age or age. Usually nouns that have nominalizers, a tira or something like that on the end will end in age, but it really depends on the word. To say three or more, your prefix will be NIW, and then your noun, and then the same endings as before. So first we're going to look at A stem nouns, and today I picked atono and asunda. So we're going to use these and we're going to look at how to count it in 1, 2, 3 or many. And this first one, atono, and the bottom it says atonotira. So this is actually the old word for it. It has a nominalizer because it originated from a verb. So whenever you're incorporating nouns and they do have an older version, this is the one that you're going to have to use first. So the first word we're going to look at is the A stem word atono, and it actually has an old word which is atonotira, and this right here is the nominalizer. So I picked this word so you can see how to incorporate it when you're counting. So to say one ball, you would say zewatonotira. 2 balls, dewatonotira. 3 balls or more, asa niwatonotira. So now the second word for A stem that we're looking at is asunda, which means night. So for this one, the endings are a little bit different. It's not age, it's age. And that being is because there's no nominalizer on this word. So one night, zewasunda. 2 nights, dewasundage. 3 or more nights, asa niwasundage. So next we're going to be looking at E stem. So this word we used in a previous lesson before, and it is actually the only E stem word that we have. Aweri, its old word is eriasa. So 1 heart, zeweriasa. 2 hearts, deweriasage. 3 hearts, asa niweriasage. So last we're going to look at EN stem. So ahnezera, which means a day. So 1 day is zewahnezera. 2 days, dewahnezerage. 3 days, asa niwahnezerage. Nyawadi was a wadarorage skatni Ionkwateweienhstonhatie. What's the zidawadatka? Onegiwahi. Within this lesson, we use some of the resources from Kanien'keha and for that we would like to thank them and acknowledge them.